Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this episode I'm going to be working on the scooter. This is a 150cc scooter. It's been sitting outside, and today I'm going to do some repairs to it. In this case I'm going to replace the carburetor. I'm going to work on the air filter. I will show you what's going on with the things I have to work on. So the first thing is the carburetor. I'm going to repair the muffler because it's got a leak in the pipe. So now that I have a welder, I can work on and make a really good job. I need to replace the two front lights and just the small details. Let's get into it. Alright, so let me show you the things I have to work on. In this case, I'm going to replace the carburetor. I'm going to work on the air filter. Look at this mess. This box is just a big monster thing. I think I will go for I will replace it for a different air filter and it will perform the same. I think it will look better actually. And then I'm going to work on the muffler because the muffler is in two pieces, so I have to take this pipe right here and weld it right there and put it back. And I need to replace the two front lights. One is bad, so I'm just gonna replace both at the same time. And then I have to get a new brake, but it's not big details. And then I'm going to see if I can make it run and just sell it. So let's do it. Alright, so here we go. This is what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna take this air filter out. I mean, it's a big thing and I don't really like it. So I'm gonna take this thing out and I'm gonna figure out the way to put a air filter who looks better than that. So I'm gonna take this out. I have to take these parts. I might take this guy out so I have a space to get to my carburetor. So
yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some
I think I can reuse this part of the air filter. So because this one is connected to the carburetor, I think I have a big enough filter to fit in here. I even can try to attach it to this part so it will stay and oh, right here. Look at that. It fits perfect. I got this air filter, so I think I'm gonna use that one for hoses like this one, because when the engine is running, it's air coming out of this one. So I think that this one will help a little, just to not leave the pipe hanging in there. So I can just put it in. There you go, and it fits perfect. So I just can leave it right there, and I think it'll be fine.
yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like.
Carburetor is installed. It wasn't that difficult to replace it for that one. So now I just have to put my air filter, and then I think it'll be ready to, we can give it a try and see if we can make it run. So let's cross our fingers.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like.
So the carburetor looks great. I think I have everything connected. I already do my throttle cable. So now I'm gonna try and see if I can make it run. Let's see if I can make it run. So here we go. it works. I mean, after being out there for a long time, I replaced the carburetor and the air filter. It's running pretty good. I really like it. So now I'm gonna put all the parts together. I'm gonna clean it a little, put it back together, and I can take it outside for a test drive and see how it runs.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh.
So this is what I got in the mail today. I got the muffler, I got the light bulbs for the front lights, I got the switches for the brakes, and now I just have to install it on the scooter and it'll be ready.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up. Let me show you what's up, cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I'll take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up. Let me show you what's up, cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I'll take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see